Hello! Greetings mga ka-spacers out there! Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. This is your ka-spacer and Space Commander Professor Jun Cajigal from the Vedan Society of Young Astronomers and Veda University, Manila. And I would like to present to you mga ka-spacers the astronomical events that will occur this December of 2021, the last month of the year. Alright, so marami pong mga astronomical events ang mawi-witness po natin ngayong buwan ng Disyembre 2021, and itong month of December mga ka-spacers, ito po yung tinatawag natin na month of meteor showers. Kasi marami po mga meteor showers na makikita natin na ngayong buwan na ito. So talagang aantabayanan po natin yan lahat. Alright, so first we have the Phaeonicid meteor shower on December 2, 2021. Ayan po, so aantabayanan po natin yan, yung Phaeonicid meteor shower on December 2. This Phaeonicid meteor shower will be active from November 28 up to December 9, pero yung peak nito mga ka-spacers is on December 2. Ayan, so hopefully we would have clear skies on December 2. Panalangin po natin yan so that we could witness this Phaeonicid meteor shower. And alam niyo ba mga ka-spacers, there will be 10 meteors that would appear per hour. Ayan po yung rate ng appearance ng mga meteors sa Phaeonicid meteor shower. 10 meteors per hour. So hoping for clear skies on those days of November 28 to December 9. Ang peak po niyan is on December 2, 2021. So isn't that fascinating mga ka-spacers? So 10 meteors per hour. So that's the Phaeonicid meteor shower. Now baka may magtanong po mga ka-spacers, when would be the best time to observe this meteor shower, the Phaeonicid meteor shower? Well, the best time to observe this meteor shower would be after midnight. Siguro po mga 12:30 up to 4 AM ng umaga. Yan, madaling araw po yan mga ka-spacers. So that's the Phaeonicid meteor shower. Then on December 3, 2021, we will be witnessing the Mars-Moon conjunction. So ano bang ibig sabihin nito? So the Moon and Mars will share the same right ascension. And ang moon po dito ay waning crescent, almost new moon po. And ito yung makikita po sa madaling araw because yung waning crescent sa madaling araw po, early morning. Ayan, so kung gising pa ho kayo, you should be able to witness the Mars-Moon conjunction in which the Moon and the planet Mars would share the same right ascension. Alright, then on December 4, 2021, there will be a total solar eclipse. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon is between the earth and the sun. And again, in order for an eclipse to occur, these three celestial objects, the earth, the moon, and the sun, would be at the same orbital plane. And unfortunately, most countries won't be able to witness this total solar eclipse. This eclipse would be visible only in regions of South Africa and Antarctica. So most countries around the world won't be able to witness this solar eclipse. This would be the last eclipse for 2021. So mga ka-spacers, on that same day, December 4, 2021, the moon will be in its new moon phase. Alright, and usually a solar eclipse occurs during a new moon wherein the moon is between the earth and the sun. Now again mga ka-spacers, like what I have been mentioning before, in order for an eclipse to occur, the moon, the earth, and the sun must be at the same orbital plane. And bihira po mangyari yan. So in this solar eclipse, the moon blocks the sun, casting a shadow upon the earth. And this solar eclipse would be visible only in regions of South Africa and Antarctica. Alright, so that's the new moon on December 4. At the same time, there will be a total solar eclipse that will be visible only in regions of Africa and Antarctica. Well mga ka-spacers, ngayon baka may magtanong po sa inyo, ano ba ang significance ng new moon na ito on December 4 aside from that solar eclipse that will be visible only in regions of South Africa and Antarctica? Well mga ka-spacers, this would be the best time for you to engage in astrophotography. This new moon phase will be the best time for you to observe deep sky objects. Ayan po, so you can grab your cameras, or kung mahilig kayo sa astrophotography, this would be the best time for you to observe deep sky objects mga ka-spacers. Alright, then on December 7, 2021, we will be witnessing the Venus-Moon conjunction. So these two celestial objects, the moon and Venus, would share the same right ascension. So that will be on December 7, 2021. Yan, magandang obserbahan to sa night sky mga ka-spacers. So before we continue mga ka-spacers, let me just clarify the moon phase that is presented in my PowerPoint slide. So on December 7, 2021, the moon will be in its waxing crescent phase at about 14% illumination and not a waxing gibbous phase like what you're seeing now on screen. Alright, so though the moon and the planet Venus will be in the same right ascension, or they will share the same right ascension, the moon will be in its waxing crescent phase. Take note mga ka-spacers, waxing crescent phase at about 14% illumination and not waxing gibbous like what you're seeing now on screen. So I hope na correct ko po yan mga ka-spacers. So let's move on. And on December 7 also, 2021, we will be witnessing the Cupid-Velid meteor shower. Alright, that's on December 7, 2021. So the rate of meteors per hour would be about 15 meteors per hour mga ka-spacers. So madami din yan. So that's the meteor shower on December 7, 2021. Now mga ka-spacers, this Cupid-Velid meteor shower would be active between December 1 to December 15, 2021. And the peak of the meteor shower is on December 7, 2021 around midnight hanggang sa madaling araw na po yan. So yan po yung ating antabayanan po, yung Cupid-Velid meteor shower. Alright, and also on December 7, 2021, Venus would be at its greatest brightness mga ka-spacers. Ang dami pala mangyayari sa December 7, no? Alright, and the brightness of Venus is about 4.7. So talagang maliwanag na maliwanag ang Venus sa southwestern sky mga ka-spacers. Ayan, so about 7:30 p.m. mga ka-spacers in your local time zone, it would be visible in the southwest direction at 27 degrees altitude. So Venus would be at its brightest at December 7, 2021. So antabayanan natin yan po mga 7:30 ng gabi. Tingin po kayo sa southwestern sky mga ka-spacers. Alright mga ka-spacers, now on December 8, 2021 would be the close approach of Jupiter, Saturn, and the Moon. So yan mga ka-spacers, so napakagandang tignan itong close approach ng Jupiter, Saturn, and the Moon. Magandang tignan po ito even without the telescope. So please grab your cellphone cameras, your DSLRs, and take a picture of this close approach of Jupiter, Saturn, and the Moon. And please mga ka-spacer, share it with us. Post it on our Facebook page, The Vedan Society of Young Astronomers. Ayan po, so yan ang mangyayari sa December 8, 2021, the close approach of Jupiter, Saturn, and the Moon. And siguro marahil mga ka-spacer, siguro naririnig nyo na rin ito sa social media, sa mga balita dyan, yung tinatawag nilang Comet Leonard. So ano nga ba itong Comet Leonard na ito? Now the Comet Leonard will get its closest to the Earth and it will be best visible, yan mga ka-spacers, take note, on December 12, 2021. It will pass by our planet at a distance of about 34 million kilometers, shining with a magnitude of about 4. So maliwanag yan mga ka-spacers. As the comet will be positioned between the Sun and the Earth at this moment, its magnitude can even reach up to 1. No, maliwanag yan due to the effect of forward scattering. This means mga ka-spacers that you'll be able to see Comet Leonard through the binoculars or even with the naked eye. Siguro marami nagtatanong, lalo na yung mga comet hunters dyan, saan po namin makikita sa night sky yung Comet Leonard. Alright, now on December 17, mga ka-spacers, 2021, about 30 minutes after sunset, Comet Leonard will be located below the planet Venus. Yan, siguro mga 6:30, mga 7 po ng gabi. Ayan, makikita na po natin yung Comet Leonard about 30 minutes after sunset. Yan po on December 17. Then on December 19, 2021, about 30 minutes after sunset, you face southwest, baka matsyempohan po ninyo yung Comet Leonard. Mas maganda pong tignan to if you are equipped with binoculars or even a small telescope. So that's the Comet Leonard mga ka-spacers. So ayan mga ka-spacers, no? So isn't that exciting? Sana clear skies tayo on those days so that we can observe Comet Leonard through a binocular telescope or even through a small reflecting or refracting telescope. So ayan, antabayanan po natin yung Comet Leonard. So let's pray for clear skies on those days. Now on December 13, 2021, we would be witnessing the so-called Pluto-Venus conjunction. Now Pluto will be at the same right ascension with Venus. So these two celestial bodies, Venus and Pluto, would share the same right ascension. Kaya lang may catch dito po mga ka-spacers. Kasi yung Venus malapit sa atin pero yung Pluto talagang malayo. So the best thing to observe this conjunction of Pluto and Venus would be using a telescope like this one. So kailangan po talaga natin ng telescope kasi yung Pluto talagang malayo po yan. Alright, so also on December 14, 2021, ito po yung inaantabayanan ng karamihan sa atin, we would be witnessing the so-called GEMINID meteor shower. Alright mga ka-spacers, that is on December 14, 2021. Ito yung hinihintay ng karamihan sa ating, lalong-lalo na yung mga astronomy enthusiasts out there, mga ka-spacers natin dyan. And the rate is about 120 to 150 meteors per hour. Ayan po, so ang galing mga ka-spacers. Yung rate ng appearance ng mga meteors would be about 120 to 150 meteors per hour. So yan po yung GEMINID's meteor shower at ito po yung talagang hinihintay ng maraming astronomy enthusiasts. Kasama rin po ako dyan. So ayan po yung GEMINIDs. So don't miss that mga ka-spacers. So this will be active between December 4 to December 17, 2021. And the peak of the Geminids meteor shower would be on December 14. So don't miss that mga ka-spacers, the Geminids meteor shower. Alright mga ka-spacers, so siguro itatanong nyo sa akin, so when would be the best time to observe the Geminids meteor shower? Well mga ka-spacers, the best time to observe the Geminids meteor shower would be after 2 a.m. So yan, pwede pa kayong matulog ng 8 o'clock ng gabi and gumising kayo ng 1:30 siguro or 2 o'clock. Labas kayo ng bahay and just look up at the night sky and observe and be fascinated by the Geminids meteor shower. And baka tanungin ninyo, saan ba namin makikita yan? Saan kami haharap? So kaya tinawag siyang Geminids kasi makikita po ito sa constellation Gemini. Ayan, so harap kayo sa constellation Gemini at dun nyo makikita yung spectacular Geminids meteor shower. Alright, and famous po ito. Don't miss this mga ka-spacers kasi famous ang Geminids meteor shower dahil sa kulay niya, yung white and yellow meteors. So again guys, don't miss this mga ka-spacers, the Geminids meteor shower. So mga ka-spacers, on December 19, 2021, we will be witnessing the full cold moon. Yan, full cold moon, cold kasi po winter ngayon sa Northern Hemisphere. On December 19, we will be witnessing the full cold moon. And speaking of cold, mga ka-spacers, on December 21, 2021, that would be the so-called winter solstice. Ibig sabihin po niyan, we will be experiencing the longest night and the shortest day here in the Northern Hemisphere because the Northern Hemisphere is tilted away from the sun. So we would have the longest nights and the shortest day on December 21. Yun ang tinatawag na winter solstice mga ka-spacers. Then on December 22, 2021, we would be witnessing the so-called Ursid meteor shower. So ayan mga ka-spacers, diba? Ito talaga yung buwan ng meteor shower. Then on December 31, 2021, the Earth will complete its revolution around the Sun. So Happy New Year na po. Welcome to another year, 2022. Alright mga ka-spacers, I guess that's about it for the astronomical events for the year 2021. And again, marami pong salamat sa inyong walang sawang pagsubaybay at pagtutok po sa aming mga live streams dito sa aming Facebook page, The Vedan Society of Young Astronomers. So kahit nasa pandemya pa ho tayo, nakaraos din po kami and we were able to fulfill our advocacy of promoting astronomy to the Vedan community and to the general public. So mga ka-spacers, please continue to like and share lahat po ng aming mga live streams. And we will continue to serve you mga ka-spacers. We will bring the telescope to you mga ka-spacers and we will give you information about the sciences, especially astronomy, at gagawin pa namin yan sa susunod na taon, 2022. Alright, so hanggang dito lang tayo mga ka-spacers. So this is your ka-spacer and Space Commander Professor Jun Cajigal from the Vedan Society of Young Astronomers saying live long and prosper. Marami pong salamat and please like and share lahat ng aming mga live streams, aming mga videos dito po sa aming Facebook page, the Vedan Society of Young Astronomers, and please check also my YouTube channel, The Science Guy, Professor Jun Cajigal. Maraming salamat po and always stay safe, wear your face mask and face shield. Goodbye everybody!